Meaning of fag-hag.
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 Fag-hag. The term fag-hag is a slang phrase that refers to a woman who has close friendships with gay men. The term is often considered derogatory and offensive, but some women embrace it and use it as an indication of their support for the LGBTQ+ community. Women who identify as fag-hags typically enjoy spending time with gay men because they find them to be social, engaging, and fun. These types of relationships are often characterized by a deep level of trust, honesty, and mutual respect between the woman and her gay male friends.